When people come to the masjid, there was a time when I was young, I used to look at some people who were a little bit older. Nowadays, maybe, inshallah, I hope it's not there. So, we used to look at some of them. They used to give us dirty looks at times just because of, perhaps we might not have been dressed how they wanted us to be dressed. Brother, I've come to the masjid. Come on, man. You need to smile at me, make me feel at home. Tomorrow I'll come, inshallah, in a better position, in a better way. But if you chased me away, what are you doing here? You're lost here today. Where do you want to go? The pub is that side, brother. Astaghfirullah. May Allah forgive us. These are the type of words that chase people away from goodness. This is the house of Allah. Anyone who makes others comfortable here and creates space for them is actually from among the best of people. Do you know there is a narration I came across today when I was actually going through the ahadith for this topic, that the Prophet ﷺ says, the best from among you in salah is the one who has the softest shoulders. And do you know what that means?